so I've been working on this project that I could really use a co-host on. You in?
Yeah, do you mean for season 2 of
What's up, girl? How long have you been standing there?
Always.
What's up, girl?
Welcome back to season 2 of What's Up, Girl. We are so excited to have you all joining us back here, and we have some new stuff in store for you this season, including a new co-host.
Yes, thank you for having me. My name is Marifer. I'm a biomedical engineer, STEM educator, and I love learning. So I'm very excited to be here next to Kaylee, who's awesome.
And if you guys don't remember, I'm an aerospace engineer. I've worked on everything from small sats to lunar landers. While that is really cool, we are doing a ton of new stuff this season, which means we're going to be getting out and talking about a whole bunch of new topics that neither of us are professionals on. And so that means
we need to call in the experts. So we're gonna be calling the STEM Girl Hotline.
And this season is going to be just a little bit different. We're taking you out of the studio and out on adventures with us so that you can actually experience the science where it happens.
We're ready for season 2?
Yeah, you ready?
Yep.
We can't wait to show you guys everything that we have in store for you on season 2 of What's Up, Girl?